Elephant versus rhino in Africa. Who wins? Have you ever wondered what would happen if an elephant and a rhino faced off in Africa? Who would emerge victorious in this epic battle of strength and survival? Dive into the heart of the African wilderness as we explore the fascinating dynamics of these incredible creatures and their dramatic encounters. In the vast and diverse landscapes of the African continent, two of the most formidable and iconic animals stand out: the elephant and the rhinoceros. Both species are not only impressive in their sheer size and strength, but also play crucial roles in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Elephants, the largest land mammals on Earth, are known for their intelligence, social structures, and impressive memory. They are keystone species, meaning their presence and activities significantly impact the environment, influencing the survival of many other species. Rhinos, with their thick skin and formidable horns, are symbols of resilience and power. They help shape the savanna and forest environments they inhabit through their grazing habits, which aid in plant diversity and soil health. Together, these magnificent creatures embody the raw power and intricate balance of the African wilderness, highlighting the need for their preservation and the protection of their natural habitat. When elephants and rhinoceroses share the same territory, several potential conflicts can arise, creating challenges for both species and the ecosystems they inhabit. Both animals, being large herbivores, often compete for similar resources, such as water, food, and space. The competition can intensify during dry seasons or in areas with limited resources, leading to direct confrontations. Elephants, with their immense size and social behavior, often dominate these interactions. They are known to uproot trees and shrubs, drastically altering the landscape, which can affect the availability of food for rhinos. On the other hand, rhinos, though generally more solitary, are highly territorial and can become aggressive if they feel their territory is encroached upon by elephants. Moreover, the presence of both species in the same area can lead to habitat degradation if their combined environmental impact exceeds the ecosystem's capacity to recover. This can result in overgrazing and trampling of vegetation, further reducing the availability of resources for other wildlife. Another significant issue is the human-wildlife conflict that escalates when these large animals come into contact with human settlements. As both elephants and rhinos roam in search of food and water, they often cross paths with human communities, leading to property damage and, at times, posing a threat to human safety. Addressing these conflicts requires a delicate balance of conservation efforts, habitat management, and community involvement to ensure the survival and well-being of both species while minimizing negative impacts on their shared environment. Understanding the unique characteristics and behaviors of elephants and rhinoceroses is crucial to exploring how these magnificent creatures interact in the wild. Each species has evolved distinct traits and habits that influence their coexistence in shared habitats. Elephant. Characteristics and behaviors. 1. Size and strength. Elephants are the largest land animals, with males, bulls, standing up to 13 feet tall at the shoulder and weighing up to 14,000 pounds. Their size grants them an advantage in accessing diverse food sources, including high branches and large quantities of vegetation. 2. Social structure. Elephants are highly social animals living in complex matriarchal herds led by the oldest female. These groups cooperate in caring for young, finding food, and protecting one another from threats. 3. Communication. Elephants use a range of vocalizations, body language, and even seismic signals to communicate over long distances. This intricate communication system helps them coordinate movements and warn each other of potential dangers. 4. Environmental impact. Known as ecosystem engineers, elephants modify their habitats significantly. They knock down trees, create water holes, and facilitate seed dispersal, which can both benefit and disrupt other species, including rhinos. Rhinoceroses. Characteristics and behaviors. 1. Physical traits. Rhinos are distinguished by their thick, protective skin and prominent horns. The white rhino is the largest species, with males weighing up to 5,100 pounds, while the smaller black rhino is more agile, adapted for browsing on shrubs. 2. Solitary nature. Unlike elephants, rhinos are typically solitary, except for mothers with calves or occasional male-female pairs mating. They maintain large territories, marked with dung and urine, and can become aggressive when defending their space. 3. Feeding habits. Rhinos are primarily grazers, white rhinos, or browsers, black rhinos, feeding on grasses or shrubs, respectively. Their feeding habits help maintain vegetation diversity, although intense grazing can lead to overuse of certain areas. 4. Sensory capabilities. Rhinos have poor eyesight, but compensate with excellent hearing and a keen sense of smell. These senses help them detect predators and other threats, including the presence of elephants. Interactions in the wild one. Competition for resources. Both elephants and rhinos need substantial amounts of food and water, often leading to competition, especially during scarce resource periods. Elephants' ability to access varied food sources can sometimes overshadow rhinos, leading to potential food shortages for the latter. 2. Territorial behavior. Rhinos' strong territorial instincts can result in confrontations with elephants, particularly if elephants encroach on their marked territories. However, elephants' superior size usually ensures they dominate such encounters. 3. Habit modification. Elephants' habitat-altering behaviors can create new opportunities and challenges for rhinos. For example, water holes created by elephants can benefit rhinos, but the destruction of trees and shrubs may reduce browsing options for black rhinos. 4. Coexistence strategies. Despite potential conflicts, both species have developed strategies to coexist. Temporal separation, where they use resources at different times, and spatial separation, where they occupy different areas of a shared habitat, help mitigate direct competition. Understanding these dynamics is essential for developing effective conservation strategies that support the needs of both elephants and rhinos, ensuring their survival and the health of the ecosystems they inhabit. Elephants and rhinoceroses, two of Africa's most formidable creatures, each possess unique characteristics and behaviors that distinguish them and shape their interactions within their shared habitats. Differences between elephants and rhinos. Size and strength. Elephants, the largest land animals. Elephants are known for their immense size and strength. Bulls can stand up to 13 feet tall and weigh up to 14,000 pounds. Their size enables them to access a variety of food sources, from high tree branches to low grasses. Rhinos. Though smaller than elephants, rhinos are still impressively large and powerful. White rhinos, the largest species, can weigh up to 5,100 pounds. Their strength is concentrated in their robust bodies and formidable horns, used primarily for defense and territorial disputes. Social structure. Elephants. Highly social animals. Elephants live in complex matriarchal herds. These groups are bonded by strong familial ties and exhibit cooperative behaviors, from caring for young to protecting one another. Rhinos. Generally solitary. Rhinos are more territorial. They typically only associate closely with others when a mother is with her calf or during mating periods. Their interactions with other rhinos are often marked by aggression and territorial defense. Feeding habits. Elephants. As generalist herbivores, elephants consume a wide range of vegetation, including leaves, bark, fruits, and grasses. Their foraging behaviors can significantly alter their environment. Rhinos. Rhinos are specialized feeders. White rhinos are grazers, focusing on grasses, while black rhinos are browsers, preferring leaves, shoots, and shrubs. Their feeding preferences contribute to maintaining ecological balance in their habitats. Environmental impact. Elephants. Known as ecosystem engineers, elephants shape their environment through activities such as tree felling and creating water holes. These actions can benefit many other species but sometimes lead to habitat degradation. Rhinos. While not as dramatically impactful as elephants, rhinos play a crucial role in their ecosystems by maintaining vegetation diversity through their grazing and browsing habits. Hypothetical battle outcome. In a hypothetical battle, the outcome between an elephant and a rhino would likely be influenced by their respective sizes and behaviors. The elephant's superior size and strength generally give it an advantage in direct confrontation. However, rhinos, with their thick skin and sharp horns, are formidable opponents capable of defending themselves fiercely. In real-world encounters, direct physical battles between elephants and rhinos are rare. Instead, these animals engage in displays of dominance and territoriality, often resolving conflicts without resorting to violence. The hypothetical scenario where an elephant steps back, allowing the rhino to access the watering hole, reflects a likely real-world outcome where mutual and avoidance of injury prevail. Reflection. The dynamics between elephants and rhinos underscore the complexity of their coexistence in the wild. Each species' unique characteristics and behaviors are integral to their survival and health of their ecosystems. By understanding and appreciating these differences, as we can better appreciate the delicate balance that governs their interactions and the importance of preserving their habitats for future generations. This reflection on their hypothetical battle highlights not just the potential for conflict, but also the capacity for coexistence and mutual respect in the animal kingdom. Who do you think would win a showdown between an elephant and a rhino? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We would love to hear your opinions and any experiences you have had witnessing these incredible animals in the wild. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting wildlife content, including rare footage, expert insights, and fascinating stories from the heart of nature. Join our community of wildlife enthusiasts and stay tuned for our next adventure.